Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. If you've ever dreamed of hitting the open road with nothing but the breeze in your hair and the hum of an electric motor beneath you, the 2025 Electric Isuzu Camper Tricycle might just be your next adventure companion. Compact, efficient, and fully electric, this three-wheeled marvel is redefining what it means to live, travel, and explore sustainably. Built on a lightweight but sturdy aluminum chassis, the Isuzu Camper Tricycle combines practicality and innovation in a way that's both refreshing and forward-thinking. At the core of this vehicle is a 100% electric drivetrain powered by a high-capacity lithium iron phosphate battery, offering up to 200 kilometers of range on a full charge. With regenerative braking, solar assist panels on the roof, and an onboard smart energy management system, this trike maximizes efficiency for every kind of road warrior. Don't let the word tricycle fool you. This is not a toy, and it's not a scooter. It's a fully capable micro-RV built with the soul of an Isuzu workhorse and the heart of an eco-friendly traveler. The design features two wheels at the back for enhanced stability and one in the front for agile maneuvering. At just under 2 meters wide and around 4 meters long, it fits neatly into most parking spots, making it ideal for urban explorers and remote wilderness adventurers alike. Step inside the camper module, and you'll find a surprisingly spacious and cleverly designed interior. Every inch has been optimized for utility and comfort. There's a convertible seating area that doubles as a bed, capable of sleeping 2 adults comfortably. Built-in underbed storage keeps your gear out of the way while still easily accessible. The compact kitchenette is fitted with an induction cooktop, a small sink with a 20-liter freshwater tank, and a smart refrigerator powered directly by the solar system. Cabinets and fold-out counters provide just enough space to prep simple meals while keeping the living area uncluttered. There's even a removable table that can be used indoors or out, depending on the weather and your mood. Opposite the kitchen, you'll find a modular space that includes a composting toilet and a privacy curtain. Though there's no built-in shower, the exterior features a solar-heated outdoor shower system with a retractable curtain, perfect for campsite washing or beach rinse-offs. The trike's interior lighting is all LED, with dimmable options to create a cozy nighttime ambience. USB ports and AC outlets powered by the onboard inverter allow you to charge devices, run a laptop, or even power small appliances. A touchscreen control panel near the entry gives you access to battery monitoring, lighting settings, and water tank levels all at a glance. Isuzu's electric motor offers silent operation, instant torque, and a top speed of around 60 kilometers per hour. That's plenty for local cruising, country backroads, and eco-friendly touring. The suspension has been tuned for comfort, and the ride is surprisingly smooth for a tricycle thanks to Isuzu's engineering expertise and thoughtful weight distribution. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The camper tricycle includes seatbelts, daytime running lights, anti-lock braking, and a rear-view camera for easier parking and reversing. A GPS navigation system and optional 4G connectivity can keep you on the grid when needed or off it if you prefer solitude. Charging the trike is straightforward. A standard household outlet will get you a full charge overnight, but there's also a fast charging option that can top off the battery to 80% in under 90 minutes at public stations. The integrated solar panels, while not enough to power the trike entirely, add a useful trickle of energy throughout the day, extending your range and keeping your living systems operational even when parked far from civilization. What sets the Isuzu Camper Tricycle apart is its lifestyle appeal. It's not about high speed or heavy hauling, it's about freedom, minimalism, and exploring without leaving a carbon footprint. Whether you're a solo traveler, a digital nomad, or a retired couple looking for weekend escapes, this vehicle offers a unique balance of functionality and charm. In terms of cost, the 2025 Isuzu Electric Camper Tricycle is competitively priced, especially when you factor in the long-term savings on fuel and maintenance. With fewer moving parts than a combustion engine and a modular design that allows for easy repairs or upgrades, it's designed to last without draining your wallet. Customization is also a key selling point. Buyers can choose from several color schemes, interior materials, and layout configurations. Want a rooftop tent for guests? Or a built-in bike rack? These options and more are available directly from Isuzu or through third-party upfitters. Perhaps most impressive is how this trike makes van life more accessible. You don't need a special license, and you don't need a massive driveway to store it. It's small enough to take on ferry rides, slip through narrow alleys, and sneak into secluded campgrounds where larger RVs simply can't go. In a world where the desire to travel sustainably is growing, but full-sized RVs feel like too much, the electric Isuzu Camper Tricycle lands in a sweet spot. It's lightweight, clean, and capable, offering a new way to live more with less, without sacrificing comfort or freedom. So, if you've been waiting for the right mix of electric innovation, practical design, and camper convenience, it's here. The 2025 Electric Isuzu Camper Tricycle isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle on three wheels.